In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable AutoSave in Microsoft Word. By the end, your work will save continuously in the background so you never lose changes if your computer crashes or you close a document by accident. Start in Microsoft Word with any document open. We're going straight to the place where Word's saving behavior is controlled. Look to the very top left corner of Word and click the File tab. This opens what's called the Backstage view, where you manage settings, accounts, and document options that affect how Word behaves behind the scenes. On the left side of this view, scroll down and click Options. It's usually near the bottom of the list. This opens the Word Options window, a central hub for customizing the app. Don't worry, there's a lot here, but we're heading to one specific area. In the Word Options window, find and select Save in the left-hand panel. This section controls how and when Word saves your work. You'll see settings related to AutoRecover, default file locations, and most importantly for us today, AutoSave. Now, enable AutoSave by checking the box that turns on saving by default for cloud files. Depending on your version, it may read like AutoSave OneDrive and SharePoint online files by default in Word. Check that box to make sure Word automatically saves changes as you type when your document is stored in a supported cloud location. After you've checked it, confirm your change by selecting OK to close the window. A quick note to avoid confusion. AutoSave is different from AutoRecover. AutoSave continuously writes your edits when the file is in OneDrive or SharePoint. AutoRecover, on the other hand, creates periodic recovery copies if something goes wrong. Both are helpful, but AutoSave is what keeps your live document up to date without you pressing Ctrl+S. If you don't see an AutoSave toggle in the upper left corner of Word after enabling this setting, it usually means the document isn't saved to a cloud location yet. Saving to OneDrive or SharePoint is what allows the always-on saving to kick in. Once the file is in the cloud, you should see the AutoSave toggle, and it will stay on by default because of the setting you just enabled. That's it. You clicked File, opened Options, selected Save, and turned on AutoSave by default. From now on, Word will quietly protect your progress while you focus on writing, and version history in the cloud can help you review or restore previous edits if you ever need to. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with AutoSave.